What's up guys, welcome to the video. So today we are in Sarasota at Around the Clock Fitness and hitting some upper body today. And I also have a special guest, Sky, and he's rocking the Got Donuts tee. That's what's up. So he's in town from Pennsylvania and he's visiting some family. And we've been following each other on social media for a while, but it'd be cool to get in a training session before I head off to Boston tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna be flying out at 5 p.m. out of Tampa. So we're gonna crush this workout and take you guys along for the ride. So today we're hitting upper body, and the main compound focus today is the bench press, and the rep scheme for today's workout is 5-3-3-2-2. So here I am using 245 pounds for my first set. So I did successfully hit 5 reps, and after every set of the bench press we're gonna rest for 90 seconds, and then we're gonna do some chin-ups. Again, the same rep scheme, 5-3-3-2-2. And with the chin up, you always want to be in full control. As you can see here, Sky is controlling the eccentric portion, which is the lowering part. And so for sets 2 and 3, I use 265 pounds for 3 reps. And yeah, I'm really stoked with my strength as I am maintaining it. Yes, when I was in full-on bear mode, my strength was pretty much a lot stronger on the bench press, but as I am getting leaner, I am pretty much just kind of maintaining, but I did increase my overhead press strength, which I was really stoked about. And so here is another set of the chin-ups, and we actually did add some weight. So for sets 3 and 4 and 5, we did add 30 pounds and then 40 pounds. And so here is set number 4, and so I used 285 pounds for 2 reps, and then Sky used, I believe, 250 pounds for 2 reps. And again, no ego lifting here, just always in full control. And next movement was the seated neutral grip dumbbell press. Now this is like one of my favorite pressing movements, and I always do use a neutral grip because it takes a lot of stress off of the shoulder joint. Like I did post this on my Instagram story, and people were asking, what does this work? You know, they were asking, oh, does it work your triceps? Yes, it does work your triceps, but it does work your shoulders as well. So this is a great movement. We did 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps here, and after every set of the neutral grip presses, we would rest for 75 seconds and do some of these bent over dumbbell rows, elbow out with a pronated grip. Now this is definitely different from the normal bent over dumbbell row because we are using a pronated grip and we're having our elbow out, so it almost mimics like a barbell row. So it does work the scapula as well as the rear delts. Great movement, and we did 6 to 8 reps. Now this next movement is called a Cobra external rotation, and you guys do see that I always do have a form of external rotation into my training. This is great for shoulder health as well as strengthening the rotator cuffs, and it can really help prevent a lot of injuries. So we did 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, and then after every set of these we would rest for 30 seconds and do some bent over trap 3 raises. Now this is another really good movement for the rear delt as well as shoulder health and as well as the traps. So we did 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps here, and then we alternated it back and forth between the Cobra external rotation and the trap 3. And that's the workout, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. What do you think of the workout?
Oh dude, it was intense.
Good shit though, man. You crushed it.
It was awesome.
Hell yeah. So what's your body weight?
170 pounds.
170. Looking solid, dude. You see the back? Nice. All right guys, so I'm currently 8 weeks into my cut, and this is basically how I am looking. So definitely tightening up, body fat is coming down. I'm still really enjoying myself once per week cheating. I don't currently know what my body weight is. I'm just basically going by how I feel and how I look. And this has been by far the most easiest sustainable cut. So we're trimming down, and again, there's no rush here at all. All right, bro, good times.
I got everything.
Hell yeah. Take care, I'll see you soon, man.
Yeah, man.
Next time we'll crush some donuts.
See ya.
Later, man. All right, guys, so now I have to head home, I have to pack, I have to shower, I have to eat, and then I have to drive to Tampa. I gotta go to the airport and fly to Boston. So we got a lot to do in a short amount of time. All right, so I just rushed extremely fast, packed everything up, showered, and this is gonna be my post-workout meal. So I have 370 grams of Greek yogurt mixed with the Jello pudding mix along with 10 grams of honey. And then I'm gonna eat about 3 or 4 of these rice cakes. I'll put the macros on the screen, but we gotta go. Man, we are definitely cutting it close. But we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We have to make it. Okay, here we go.
Boarding pass and ID, please.
Thanks a lot.
Dropping off.
So we are all checked in and through security, and the time is currently 4 p.m. My flight boards at 4:30, and luckily it is on time. Every single time I fly and travel, it's always delayed or something happens. So luckily I made it through, and also the security guy tried to like take away my Aussie candy, but I wasn't having that. Searched my bag, typically happens when you have like camera equipment, laptops. But we are boarding in about 30 minutes, and then we are taking a 3-hour flight to Boston. .30 p.m. So we finally made it home. It's been a long day, a long trip, and just super stoked that I did make my flight because I was kind of iffy, didn't know if I was gonna make it, but we did successfully make it. We made it home to Boston, and then we drove down here to New Bedford. I'm gonna wind down. I just unpacked. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed, and I will check with you guys in the morning. 6:30 a.m. So I did get up at about 5:45, and I've just been spending a good amount of time replying to all my YouTube comments, Instagram DMs, Instagram comments. Now, it does take a lot of time, but I really like to just respond to everybody and show everyone that I really care and appreciate all the love and support. So I have to ship out a bunch of orders today. I left all of my stuff here, like all my Gut Donuts t-shirts, when I had to fly down to Tampa. So now I'm able to finally ship those orders. So sorry again to everybody. Next time I will be able to bring everything with me. Just there was a model shoot that I didn't have enough time to drive down to. So yeah, we're gonna pack these orders, and yeah, I wanted to close out the video here, but I wanted to let you guys know that the cut is going extremely well, and it's definitely been a very sustainable approach. Now that I am getting leaner, I'm going to start having one more high day. So every Sunday I'm going to do a cheat day, and then last night, well yesterday, which was Thursday, I did have a higher carbohydrate day. So I just basically kept fats low and really increased the carbohydrates. I think I ate about 450 grams of carbs. So around Thursdays I'm gonna start having a midweek refeed day. So as you get leaner, refeeds become important, because refeeds, what they do, they help restore leptin levels, and leptin is the king fat burning hormone. Now as you get leaner, your leptin levels start to drop, so therefore it makes burning fat a lot harder. And leptin pretty much controls like your hunger levels, your metabolism, your energy expenditure. So as you get leaner, your body basically thinks that it's dying, so it lowers these levels of leptin. And when you do refeeds, specifically having high carb days, those really help restore those hormones. So by having the cheat day, yes, that does give me a pretty good boost in leptin. Monday I'm training hard, Tuesday I'm training hard, Wednesday is a rest day, but then by the time I get to like Thursday, I'm already getting like pretty hungry, energy levels are starting to slightly dip. So on these Thursdays, I'm gonna start doing a refeed day, so where I will keep the fats low, I will bring the carbs up and boost those up, and I will do a full day of eating on a refeed day to give you guys examples of how I do it. So that way it'll give me a nice boost in training on Thursday, as well as a boost in training on Friday. And then again, Saturday is a rest day, which I'll probably, go skating or something. And then Sunday is the cheat day. So yes, I will definitely do a video on a refeed soon, so I can show you guys how to structure it. I know I had a few questions about refeeds when I did mention it in my last cheat day video. But yes, we are home. We are in New Bedford, Mass. This is my hometown. So Sunday, I'm going to start at KANE'S Donuts in Boston at 8 a.m. So if you guys want to meet up for the cheat day, I think it'll be cool. And then after I eat the donuts, I'm gonna go to Lynch Family Skate Park and skate. So really looking forward to this cheat day. It's gonna be a good time, and I'll put the address to KANE'S in the description box below. So yeah, that is it. We made it here safely. I got orders to ship, and I gotta get this day going. So hope everyone is well. Hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.